in order to check the activation date on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, what you can do is, first of all, you can open settings, and then if you proceed to the battery, then in here we can proceed to battery information, and then we can find the first used date. This can be a good indicator of when the phone was used for the first time, the first activation of course. But besides that, what you can also do is you can go to the Google services in settings, tap on your Google profile, and then choose to manage your Google account. In here, go to security and sign in, and then here if you scroll down you should be able to find sessions on Android phones, which is in your devices section. You want to select that option and then choose Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now after that you will need to verify yourself with a screen lock password or biometrics. And then we have the first sign-in date in here as well. Of course, this date is relevant if you used that selected Google account on the first day when you got and activated your phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.